Hello, Kevin Stevenson here with PhasedLogix. You can find us at GateMeTheGeek.com. Today I want to talk to you about emojis. If you've used social media or even texted, you've probably seen emojis. You probably even used them. On your Windows phone, on your Windows PC, it might be a little bit difficult to do that. So on an Android phone or an iOS phone, it's pretty straightforward. But on a Windows PC, have you ever wondered, wow, how do I get those things? Maybe you're making your Facebook post or your LinkedIn post or Twitter post or whatever, and you're doing it from a PC, and you want to put those handy dandy emojis in. Well, today I'm going to show you how. Let's get started. We'll just open up Notepad here real quick. Handy dandy Notepad. Everybody's got it. Type a few words. And hello, emojis. Yep, pretty straightforward. As you can see, the emojis works a lot like on your phone, where you can type in a few key letters and filter it down. And a superhero right here. Some of those things. Notepad doesn't necessarily show them all correctly, but hey, that's Notepad. That's nothing to do with the emoji keyboard. So just to show you how to do that, it's pretty straightforward. You hit the Windows key and the period key at the same time, or at least the Windows key and then the period key to hold down, and that'll pop up this emoji picker. And from then, you can click on whatever emoji you like and go from there. Thanks for watching. If you like that video, just give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more content, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notifications. If you want to hire us for a project, head over to GetMeTheGeek.com, where we offer business IT solutions. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.